friend Ty from Rebreak News. How y'all doing today? So we're here at the Discovery Point for Brexit conference. I hope you enjoy it.
Okay. My name is Mark Lazarovich and I am the chair of the EU Citizens' Rights Programme. On the rights for EU citizens who are currently in the UK, it will depend first of all whether or not the UK and the EU come to an agreement about what happens after Brexit. If they don't, then the situation might be different. But what we expect is there'll be a system where EU citizens who are in the UK will be able to apply in most cases for something called settled status if they have had residency in the UK for more than 5 years, and if they've been here for less than that, then they'll be applying for something called pre-settled status, which in due course to become settled status. But it is a very complicated system, and it will depend upon when people arrive, if they arrive in the future, what happens about a deal between the UK and the EU. So if people are uncertain, they should get information, they should go onto our website, they should go onto the UK government website, because it's important people know where they stand, because they don't want to have any unpleasant surprises if they make a mistake or misunderstand the rules that apply to them. The idea is that for most EU citizens here at the moment, there shouldn't be any real change in their circumstances, but that will depend upon agreements reached between the UK and the EU.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Thank you, fine.
So what brings you to the event today?
Just basically better understanding of the effects of Brexit. We have a rounded understanding basically, but we wanted to hear things from a more official point of view, and basically that's why we came here, because obviously a lot of things don't make any sense, with the government going up and down and whatnot, so having some kind of certainty was actually why we came here.
I was really curious about this whole Brexit thing, because it's going to affect your life, especially for students.
So I wanted to know as a student, because obviously I'm from another country, from a EU country, whether or not I need, because obviously Brexit is gonna happen at March 2019, so I wanted to know whether or not I would need any sort of proof or a visa or anything like that for continuing my studies beyond 2019. Yeah.
So what do you get out of this?
Actually, it made me more confused, but but it's fine because I actually got answer to my question, and it's made me feel more comfortable, like knowing that I have rights even after Brexit.
Yeah, it's a very, very complex issue, and the media really can, tip it one way or another, and it was really nice to find out about the actual, rights that are concrete and the government can't change it. So that is really reassuring.
You get the answer of what you're looking for?
Yes, I got an answer. Basically, I would need a visa after the trial period, which is between 2019 and 2021. So that's good. I'll be staying here for my last year of studies. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much, and you have a nice day.
Yeah, we did. Well, it was quite helpful, and they actually explained a lot of things and reaffirmed what we already know, so which is very good.
So you're happy that you find the answer you're looking for?
Yeah. Absolutely, yeah. Very happy. Yeah, it was good. I'm actually really happy because this is my partner. She actually made me come here. I'm in Glasgow actually, so I came here and I'm really glad that I did. So yeah, it was very good, helpful.
That's fine. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you have
Hi, I'm very good, thank you. My name is Joanna Zawadzka, and I'm a campaigns and engagement officer and a community activist, and I'm also representing partner organisations for this project.
Okay. So the turn up at the event today was very good, and it was fully booked in 2 weeks advance. Do you think it's because people living in Scotland are scared of the Brexit?
I think people have had 2 years of uncertainty. So they don't really know what will happen to their rights, what will happen to their immigration status, and I think events like this are very much needed so people can ask questions to the experts. And this is what this event was about. We had an immigration lawyer and we had representatives from the European Commission in Scotland who funded this event, and I feel that we are still very anxious about the whole thing.
Do you think this event was helpful?
I hope so. We had a lot of people coming and asking their questions. I hope they got answers. However, a lot of questions couldn't be answered because nothing is yet confirmed. So it's good to keep in touch with EU Citizens' Rights Project, and this is what I would encourage all people who watch this video to do, and we'll have more events in the future and we will be keeping you informed.
Thank you very much. I hope you learn more about Brexit and the possible outcome. Thank you for y'all watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.